Righto, tellio there, champs, and you know what day it is today? Wolf, iPhone and new Apple Watch launch day. So I'm out here in Knife Point, I have my stab vest on, and every day is a sunny day on Apple launch day. Go through my videos for the last 5 years, they've all been sunny days. I think Tim Cook must have a line up there to God, and yes, of course, I did pray to Tim Cook today. So let's go to the Apple store and pick up this iPhone and watch. And for the last few years, every time I've gone to the Apple iPhone launch, it has actually been fairly quiet. This year, there was actually quite a few people. There were actually queues, there were lines. So anyway, I went there, quite packed, as I said, and there's a Samsung store downstairs. Maybe one day they'll get a customer. Not today. So anyway, all went well, picked it up, good experience. So now let's look at the deep purple iPhone Pro Max. Woof. Let's unbox it. And of course, it comes in the same sort of box as last year, and we open her up and oh, look at that color and look at it. It looks amazing. Yeah, sort of looks exactly like the last one, but a different color. But this color really looks good. It's classy. I hope I'm showing it up here. I'm trying to show it in all these different lighting conditions. If you actually just look at the purple straight on with no light on it, just looks like a dark black with maybe a purple hue, or like a matte black or a dark matte gray with purple hue. But then you turn it and you catch it in the right light, and yeah, it really does look amazing, this finish. The edging on it's nice and shiny. Actually, it's funny, these edges are stainless steel, but they feel like plastic. Whatever coating they have on it, it just feels like plastic. It feels weird, but the edging looks really nice. Deep purple. We're going to have to see if, I'll get fingerprints. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. I've got more videos on these products coming. And they must have this new killer feature, because I restored from iCloud backup and all my icons are gone. I don't know what happened to them. Now I'm going to have to mess about. I just sort of started as a new phone, I think, because now I've got to mess around with the icons, which sucks. Maybe because I restored from an iOS 15 to an iOS 16. I don't know. But something's gone wonky and my icons are gone. Now, if you have a look at iOS 16, it's got this search box at the bottom of the screen. How do I get rid of that? I do not want that search box. The search box is easy. You just swipe down, you can search. What do I need a search thing there? Tell me how to get rid of it. It's doing my head in. But all in all, I'm excited. The Apple store is packed. They say there's going to be a recession. Inflation's going crazy. People are stopping spending. Apple are immune to that stuff. This is the most packed I've seen an Apple launch for an iPhone for years. So anyway, stay tuned for more on this. I'll catch you in the next one. Tally ho.